Welcome back to Capital Luxury, the channel where we dive into the lives of influential individuals who are making a mark in their respective fields. Today, we bring you an exclusive look into the daily routine of Jordan Peterson, a renowned clinical psychologist, professor, and author known for his thought-provoking ideas on topics like productivity, well-being, and personal growth. Join us as we get insights into how Peterson maintains his productivity and well-being to achieve his goals and make an impact in the world. If you're new to Capital Luxury, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We bring you exclusive glimpses into the lives of successful individuals, uncovering their secrets to success and providing valuable insights for our viewers. Now, let's dive into the daily routine of Jordan Peterson. But before we start, make sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments below if you're a fan of Jordan Peterson's work or if you're excited to learn about his daily routine. Now, let's begin. As the day progresses, Jordan Peterson continues to prioritize his physical and mental well-being. He understands that his work is demanding and can be mentally exhausting, so he makes sure to take care of himself throughout the day. After his morning routine, Peterson typically spends the next few hours focusing on his writing and research. He believes that this time is crucial for producing high-quality work, and he tries to avoid any distractions during this period. In his book, 12 Rules for Life, Peterson discusses the importance of engaging in deep work, which is essentially the act of concentrating on a cognitively demanding task, with full focus and without interruption. To achieve this, Peterson has several tips that he follows strictly. One of his primary recommendations is to disconnect from social media and emails for extended periods. He believes that these digital distractions can derail the most productive of workdays. Peterson is a firm believer that the human mind is not designed to switch rapidly between tasks, and doing so is detrimental to our overall productivity. Peterson also recognizes that taking breaks throughout the day is essential to maintaining his productivity. He uses this time to recharge his mind and avoid burnout. He has been known to take short walks around his neighborhood, engage in brief exercises, or simply relax and unwind. According to Peterson, these intentional breaks help him stay focused and improve his mental well-being. Throughout the day, Peterson also makes sure to engage in activities that bring him joy and fulfillment. He understands that a balanced lifestyle that includes activities outside of work is critical to his overall well-being and productivity. For instance, Peterson is an accomplished pianist and enjoys playing the piano to unwind. He also spends time reading books, engaging in intellectual conversation with peers, and spending time with his family. As a clinical psychologist, Peterson has also been vocal about the importance of maintaining a balanced life. He frequently encourages his clients to pursue activities outside of work to improve their well-being. In one of his lectures, he said, "A balanced life is one where you have something to do that's meaningful, something to love, someone to take care of, and something to look forward to." Jordan Peterson's daily routine is a testament to his commitment to his physical and mental well-being, productivity, and work-life balance. His emphasis on engaging in deep work, taking intentional breaks, and pursuing activities outside of work is a recipe for a successful and fulfilling life. Peterson's philosophy is a valuable lesson to us all, and we can learn a lot from his daily routine. Jordan Peterson's annual earnings are a topic of interest for many of his fans and followers. He has amassed a considerable fortune through his books, speaking engagements, and online courses. According to reports, Peterson's net worth is estimated to be around $4 million. In 2018, He earned over $800,000 from his book sales alone, and his speaking engagements and online courses bring in substantial revenue as well. Peterson's success is a result of his popularity among those seeking self-help advice and guidance on how to navigate the challenges of modern life. Despite his wealth, Peterson has remained grounded and uses his money to support causes he believes in. For instance, he has donated a significant portion of his earnings to charities that support mental health and addiction recovery. He has also set up a scholarship program at the University of Toronto to help students pursue education in the humanities. Peterson has been vocal about his belief that individuals should take responsibility for their lives, and this includes being financially responsible. In his book, 12 Rules for Life, he writes, "If you cannot take care of yourself, you cannot take care of anyone else." He believes that financial stability is crucial to achieving a balanced life and encourages his readers and followers to take steps to improve their financial situation. In one of his lectures, Peterson advised his audience to get your damn life together and start saving some money. He recommends that individuals set realistic financial goals and take steps to achieve them, such as creating a budget, saving for emergencies, and investing wisely. And there you have it, a glimpse into the daily routine of Jordan Peterson. From his early morning workouts and meditation to his focused work routine and intentional breaks, Peterson's routine emphasizes the importance of physical and mental well-being, productivity, and work-life balance. We hope you've gained valuable insights from this behind-the-scenes look at Peterson's daily life. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from Peterson's productivity and well-being tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Capital Luxury for more exclusive content on successful individuals and their daily routines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.